Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, and yes, this is how I'm going to get it started today. I know Chelsea lost yesterday, okay? The Champions League dream, that's gone. And me, it's just a game, right? Just a game. Meanwhile, there was a lot more action in the markets today than from Chelsea yesterday. So let's get it started. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. And me and the crew here, we're ready to have ourselves a drink. It's happy hour in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks, they're lower in choppy trade this Thursday afternoon as oil prices were in the red and as concerns about the effectiveness of monetary policy continue to rise following stimulus measures from the European Central Bank, the ECB. And with that stated, let's talk Europe because in truth, the U.S. markets all session long have been following Europe. Now, this all began today mostly with the European Central Bank announcing those stimulative measures, the major averages holding higher in choppy trade after the ECB cut the deposit rate to negative 0.4% from minus 0.3%, therefore charging banks even more to keep their money, and the refinancing rate by the ECB that was also cut a total of 5 basis points to come in at 0%. 0.0. My shout out to Bluto Blutarski. Moving ahead, the central bank also increasing its asset purchase program from 60 billion euros to 80 billion euros a month. That begins in April. While right here in the United States, weekly jobless claims figures, they fell 18,000 to 259,000 for the week ended March 5th. That's the lowest read since mid-October. Meanwhile, we did see a super surprise from Super Mario. Speaking of the ECB President Mario Draghi, of course, he surprised the markets by saying he does not anticipate a need to reduce rates even further, although new facts can indeed change the situation and the outlook. Meanwhile, oil prices in the headlines, crude settling down 1.18%, 37.84 a barrel, as Reuters, citing sources, reported that just before the opening bell, a meeting between OPEC and non-OPEC producers is unlikely to happen on March 20th, as Iran has yet to commit to an oil production freeze. You team all of this news, and there's a lot, with the euro extending gains in afternoon trade rising above $1.12. That's the highest level since February 15th. And gold futures for April delivery settling up $15 at $12.7280 a troy ounce. Then you have yourself a session right now where 2 stocks have declined for every advancer over at the big board. Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out the second to last trading session of the week. And on the corporate news front, we have to talk about Amazon.com right now experiencing intermittent outages this Thursday afternoon on its desktop, mobile web, and mobile applications. Let's see what they have to say about it tomorrow. And with that, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. I have to clear my throat. Still not 100% yet. And I'll see you guys all tomorrow. And I'm feeling better already because it's a Friday. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.